Today's topic is the exploration and practice of catch and release. Hello everyone, today we're going to try to estimate the count of a population. Why only estimates and not the actual correct number? It is because animals would move, we cannot count them one by one, so by catch and release we can have a rough idea of the size of the population. We'll be using soybean and black bean to simulate in the experiment this time. The total number of black beans and soybeans represents the actual count of the population. Black beans represent the target individuals. The materials we prepared are beaker, petri dish, spoon, tweezers, and glass rod. First, mix an unknown number of soybeans with 100 black beans. The number of the mixture would be the total count of the life form. Let's mix them evenly. Once they're mixed well, take a spoonful. Use the glass rod to level it. Put them into the petri dish to count. First, count the number of black beans, then count the total number of all the beans. First, count the black beans. Here are 9 black beans. Then count the remaining soybeans. The count is 9 black beans and the total number is 59. We know that there are 100 black beans in there. After our calculation, we estimate their total is 655. Let us repeat the same steps 4 times. Put the black beans and soybeans from just now back in. Stir it again. Once they're stirred well, take another spoonful. Level it with the glass rod. Put them into the petri dish. Let us count. Count the number of black beans first. Here are 11 black beans. Then count the total of black beans and the soybeans. 11 black beans plus the soybeans. 11 black beans. The total number of beans is 58. Since we know there are 100 black beans, we can estimate that the total number of beans is about 527. Repeat the same steps. Put the beans from just now back into the beaker. Stir it evenly again. Once stirred, take a spoonful again. Use the glass rod to level it again. Then, put them into the petri dish. Let us count. First, count the number of black beans, then count the total number of beans. We have 9 black beans. Then count its total number. The number of black beans is 9. The total is 57. There were originally 100 black beans. By our calculation, we estimate the total number of beans to be 633. Put the beans back and stir again. Try to stir it so that it's evenly distributed. Use the spoon to take a spoonful. Level it with the glass rod. Put it into the petri dish. Let us count. First, the number of black beans. 8 black beans. Then count the total number of beans. The total is 56. We can see that the number of black beans is 8, but in reality there are 100. After some calculation, we can estimate that there are about 700. Pour the beans back into the beaker and stir well. Take the spoon and get a spoonful, level it with the glass rod. Level it with the glass rod. Put it into the petri dish. Let us count the number of beans. First, count the number of black beans. 14 black beans. Len, count the total number of beans. There are 14 black beans. The actual number of black beans should be 100. After some calculation, we estimate that there are about 407 beans. Let us calculate the average of the 5 estimates we have calculated. The estimates of beans from the first to fifth times are 655, 527, 633, 700, and 407. The average of these 5 tries is 584. The more times we do this, the closer our estimates would be to the actual number. The total number of beans is 600. It is very close to the estimate we calculate. Let students take an unknown number of soybeans and give students a fixed number of black beans. Ask students to count the total number of beans once after they have been mixed. Students groups whose estimate is closest to the actual number would win.